The PC case which I won is finally delivered. Let's open it. The box is open. And here's the PC out of the box. This is the PC case. It has a button and a few USB. Comes with fans. And this is the inside. It has a magnetic dust filter on the top. And a fan on the back. And even a adjustable GPU stand. And a hard drive disk mount thing.